There we go again. Look at this. Keeps snowing, man. Earlier today I cleansed the snow from the yard, and I did that for nothing because the snow is back again. I was just thinking, it looks like people don't learn from history. Like Napoleon went to war with Russia, almost conquered it, but then the winter stopped him. Hitler tried the same, but the winter stopped him. So pretty much, you don't go to war with Russia in winter. Are you that stupid or what? So now it looks like Russia brought winter here in Europe. So should I say thank you or screw you? I don't know. I fucking hate winter anyways, but I mean, I guess people are getting what they deserve in the end. So for the greater good, I'm just sacrificing my comfort. So yeah, peace.